In this video, I'm going to show you how to join and verify Blush Crunch Studio in Discord. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up your Discord and then click on where it says add a server. And then click on join a server. Then from here, you want to type in Blush Crunch and then click join server. Then once you've done that, you'll be coming to inside of Blush Crunch. And then if you're not on this page, we need to click onto verification where it says verify. So make sure you click on the verify. We've got instructions here if you want to have a look at that, but click on verify. And then at the bottom here, click on verify with blocks links. And then it will say leaving Discord. This link is taking you to the following website, to blocks.link. Then make sure to click on trust blocks.link from now on and click on visit the site. Now it's going to open up a web page where it's going to verify. So from here, we need to click next. And then we want to go ahead and click on authorize. Then it'll say authorize Roblox. Click on next. Now we need to log into Roblox. Then it will come to a page that says block links is requesting access. So we want to confirm and give access.